Hi, Toby Keeping, Sales Manager at Swept, and I want to talk to you a little bit now about the process you go through when you're submitting a proposal. This is an example template provided by the folks at Proposify. It's a free piece of software that we're giving you access to for a couple of weeks through a partnership. It is a paid product beyond that, but what this does is allow you to really standardize your proposal and present yourself in the most professional light possible. And given the point of the procurement process that you're in, this is a vital component. Now, the one piece that I'll kind of share with you before we get into the actual inner workings of the document itself, if you have worked out that you're the preferred vendor with the customer, you understand how your services are unique to anyone else and why you should win the bid, I would highly encourage you to consider presenting this proposal in person. If you have the opportunity to speak with the person on the other end, you're able to go and meet with the individual. If you do need that final piece of selling to get that contract, you can certainly go in and present this and have them sign off on it right away. Now, the other side of that is, if you're exceptionally confident that you're going to be selected for the bid, you can present this electronically and the customer will be able to walk through it pretty seamlessly and do the digital sign off on their own. I would suggest that there are scenarios on both sides where you would want to go speak with the customer directly and walk through it, and there are certain circumstances where you do need to just be hands off and send it out electronically and let the client move through it. You'll get notification when they open it, when they sign it, all that is taken care of here, but just certainly there's pieces and times when you want to see the person as well. So this is a template, all completely janitorial specific here. You have to put in obviously your company name. Imagery here is standardized. You can change it if you want to. In the cover letter section here, what I would encourage you to do, certainly there's a template here, this is where you want to speak to the unique things that you understand about that particular client's need and how you're going to address them. Create bullets, make it very identifiable on the first page why you should be selected to win this contract. If you cannot convey why you should win that in this letter, you really have a low chance of winning no matter what. Then you want to provide some information about yourselves. What I love about a proposal template like this is that it gives you an opportunity to very cleanly and concisely articulate what you're about and why your company is unique. And once you've put that time and effort into this once, you now repeat that with every single proposal. So you have the ability to make this look consistent and professional time and time again. In the testimonials section, I certainly believe that you're going to be well served if you can provide references that are a similar persona or client to the person that you're selling to. So if it's an office manager, for example, that you're selling to at an engineering company, certainly if you have testimonials to share from very similar clientele, that will go a long way to speaking to their exact needs. You want to provide some overview. As you see here, there's some baseline information. Make this your own. What is your process to bring a customer into the fray? How do you bring them into your organization and begin supporting them? Help show them the yellow brick road for them to have you be successful on their behalf. Highlight the services that you provide, a little bit about the products that you're going to be using, and now talk a little bit about the specific statement of work components and fees associated with what you're going to be providing to that client. So again, here's another opportunity for you to speak about the things that you understand about the pain points that they have that allow you to be perceived as their vendor of choice. Highlight your contract, if you will. Now there's a sample one in here, and as you see, this is a sample contract. We're not lawyers and not recommending anything other than you should have your own legal terms and conditions here. I would advise make it for a small janitorial company like you guys are. Make it very easy and concise for just about any business owner to be able to quickly review this and to accept it. Once you get through all this, then at the bottom, again, if you're sending this electronically, you would have your signature in here and that of the customer. Once they've done that, you get notification. All of it takes place seamlessly in the back end. And again, the level of effort that you have to put into creating a professional looking proposal is spent the first time creating that template, and then you get to repeat that over and over again and make it look exceptionally polished, which is exactly what you want to have as a final image and a final opportunity for that customer to then sign off on working with you. Hope this is helpful, and looking forward to hearing that you're successful with it.